What if the crypto dollar was the US currency? Imagine waking up tomorrow and the paper US dollar, the most widely recognized currency on Earth, is suddenly discontinued. No cash. No plastic cards. Only one thing remains: the crypto dollar, a fully digital, blockchain-powered version of the US currency that the entire world now relies on. And here's a problem the world has. Every transaction needs to be instantly transacted. Every paper dollar can be traced. Every payment you make, from a cup of coffee to an international trade deal, is recorded on a secure digital ledger controlled by the United States. Are you already feeling the tension? Because if that happens, the global economy won't just change. It'll be completely shaken up. Welcome back to Specvio, where we explore the biggest what-ifs that have shaped America and the world. And trust me, you'll want to hear the end of this. Because the crypto dollar isn't just a currency, it's a global power move. Before we dive in, hit that like button right away. It helps more than you think. The birth of the crypto dollar. So let's start with the basics. What is a crypto dollar? Picture the US dollar, but completely digital, built on a US-owned blockchain, regulated by the Federal Reserve, and used by every citizen, business, and government agency. It's not Bitcoin. It's not Ethereum. It's not some wild market roller coaster. It's the official currency of the United States. Now, why would the US do this? Because in a world racing toward digital currency dominance, China with its digital yuan, Europe exploring its digital euro, the US can't afford to sit back. The crypto dollar will be America's counterattack, ensuring that no foreign power will defeat America in the financial future. But here's the birth of a new world where things get interesting. The moment the crypto dollar becomes the official US currency, cash paper currency disappears. And when cash dies, so does the birth of anonymity. The government is watching everything. But so do you. Every transaction becomes transparent, secure, and nearly impossible to fake. This is where the fear begins and where the benefits explode. Presents the concept clearly. Creates a global perspective. Maintains emotional balance. Sets the viewer's expectations for the outcome to come. How it changes American life. Okay, let's talk real life. Your life. My life. Everyday American life. With crypto dollars. No more bank fees. Instant payments, no money lost. No fraud. Digital dollars become almost impossible to steal. Taxes are calculated instantly. Paychecks hit your wallet in seconds. By the way, here's the fear that kills millions. Complete financial transparency. Every purchase tracked. Every tip recorded. Every dollar seen. Some Americans are happy. Finally. No corruption. Other panic. Wait, the government knows everything I buy? And here's the middle ground. A crypto dollar brings convenience and control. But the US has also created the most heavily monitored financial system ever. But hey, quick question for you. Would you support a fully digital US dollar? Or would you prefer the freedom of cash? Let me know in the comments. I'll genuinely consider your comments. Now here's where things get wild. Because America doesn't act alone. The moment America converts to a crypto dollar, the entire world's economy will be recovering through America. Why? Because 60% of global trade uses the US dollar. If that dollar goes digital, the world will have no choice but to follow America's system. Many countries will take the initiative to adopt it. Banks around the world will need to rebuild their systems. While on the other hand, nations like Russia, China, and Iran, who already fear the dollar, will see it as a seizure of American power. But then here's the twist. If the crypto dollar is programmable, the US could instantly stop terrorist funding, stop illegal trade with a single order, freeze the assets of enemy governments in seconds. It makes America stronger and makes enemies extremely nervous. At the same time, Latin America and Europe may welcome stability. Businesses will love speed. Investors will love security. The world will get faster. And the financial system will be more controlled. Okay, let's address ourselves in the room. Because while crypto dollars seem like the future to us, it also brings with it nightmare scenarios. Cyber attacks. If hackers ever breach the system, the entire financial infrastructure of the United States could collapse. Government overreach. Imagine the IRS having real-time access to all spending. Imagine frozen accounts without warning. Imagine losing every dollar you have if something goes wrong. End of privacy. No more silent cash payments. Everything is on record. Dependence on technology. If the system goes offline, the country shuts down. These fears are not science fiction. There are real debates happening today in Congress, Wall Street, and Silicon Valley. Adds fear to maintain emotional engagement. Shows real risks without exaggeration. Sets the final balanced outcome. But here's the big question. Is America ready for all this? A crypto dollar would mean a faster economy, stronger global influence, secure transactions, a modern financial system, a leap into the future. But it would also mean less privacy, more government power, higher tech dependency. So what's the reality? Crypto dollars are not good. They're not bad. They're powerful. They're the next evolution of American money, and whether we like it or not, one day, it may be inevitable. And when that day comes, America will have to decide what's more important, freedom or security, privacy or security. Hey everyone, if you made it here, you're officially one of the smartest people. Seriously. Most people click away before the truth comes. But you stayed. And that tells me something. You're curious, open-minded, and ready for the future. So let me say this personally, if you enjoy this journey, and you want more big, bold, global, what-if scenarios, then you're exactly the kind of viewer we built Specvio for. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and leave me a comment telling me, would you support an official US crypto dollar? Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay bold, and I'll see you in the next Specvio story.